How to find cost price and profit and loss using algebra. Now let us take a sum. I am explaining this with the help of a sum. The sum is a man sells in cycle for rupees 30,000 with a 25% profit. Find the cost price. Now using algebra, let the cost price be x. Then we simply have to apply the formula of selling price. Then we simply have to apply the selling price, like whenever we find the selling price, that formula. So let us take the cost price as x. Then let us import the formula of selling price. X plus x into 25 by 100 equal to 30,000. This is the formula to find selling price, like I explained in my previous video, and this is the original selling price. The representation should be like this: is to find the cost price when the profit is given. X plus 1 by 4x equal to 30,000. 5 by 4x equal to 30,000. Therefore x is equal to 30,000 into 4 by 5. It gets reversed due to the region of transposing. Then x is equal to 24,000. So the cost price is equal to 24,000. So we understand that, and whenever we are using algebra to find it, we always have to input the formula of selling price and then give the original selling price at the end. This is the method we have to find using algebra. Now the second process, using arithmetic. Always when we find the cost price in arithmetic process, we have to take the cost price as rupees 100. So cost price is rupees 100, profit is 25%. So selling price is 100, like the formula given of selling price. 100 plus 25 by 100 into 100, so 100 plus 25, rupees 125 is the selling price. Okay, this is the required process at first. Now let us come to the main process. So now we can find the original cost price. The original cost price is equal to 100 by 125 into 30,000. Formula is cost price by selling price into original selling price. If I use arithmetic to find, so the cost price, when you multiply, it is 24,000. This is how we can find cost price through arithmetic process. Simply at first, like I explained, first it is compulsory, mandatory to do this, to take it as 100 and do this. Yes, and then we have to input this formula. Now this is the system if we do it using profit. Now true loss, it is exactly the vice versa. If loss is given using algebra, simply it would be minus. Like what I want to say is it is x plus x into 25 by 100. So if it was a 25% loss, then it would be simply be x minus x into 25 by 100. Okay, then equal to 30,000 like given. Just the vice versa. This plus sign would change. Why this plus sign would be changed? Like how we find the selling price, using that formula to find selling price using loss. Just that formula, and then import the original selling price at the end. Now how to find the cost price to the given loss percent, and in arithmetic process. In arithmetic process, it's exactly the vice versa, and not very difficult. Cost price equal to 100. If instead of profit loss was 25%, then simply the selling price would have been 100 minus 25 by 100 into 100, which means 100 minus 25 is of course 75, and then 100 minus then 75, and then the selling price would have been 75, and then the cost price would be simply like the inputted formula 75 by 125. Cost price is 100, so 75. Cost price is 100, so the selling price which is 75, 100 by 75 into 30,000. Thus the vice versa like given. I am representing now. It would be just the vice versa, like 100 minus only for loss this would have been possible. 100 minus 25, which is 75. So 75 is the selling price, and if selling price is 75, then the cost price would have been just the vice versa, cost price, which is we all know 100, selling price is 75, so the representation would have been 100 by 75 into 30,000. Okay, this is just the vice versa process for loss. Perhaps if we know how to find cost price through profit percent, and then it is very easy to find loss through loss percent, to find the cost price through loss percent, because it exactly the vice versa. Now there are some important notes also which I have given. Always use these two methods to find the cost price. Like I want to say that never use any other method, or these are the only two methods for finding cost price. Point number 2, always take selling price formula for both. Like we know the selling price formula. Selling price formula is the cost price is cost price plus profit percent, and cost price plus profit percent, and which is into multiplied by multiplied by that cost price, which is equal to selling price. Now that is the selling price formula, and also if it was loss, then cost price minus cost price by this loss percent multiplied by that cost price. Always remember this. Okay, guys. So like explained in this video, this is the profit. So these are now we go on to note number 3. In algebraic method, always keep the original selling price at end. Which I want to say that if you use algebraic method, then it is mandatory to always keep the selling price at the end equal to 30,000. We have to give this, then only our sum can be completely right. Then one more thing is that always use this formula after the common procedure of arithmetic process, is like I have given over here, cost price was selling price into original selling price. Then the cost price, then these are the formulas which I have also given to find cost price for profit percent only, if profit percent is given. And this is algebra. The first two are algebra for profit percent given and loss percent. Formula: x plus x into profit percent equal to original SP. Next one, if loss percent is given, then x minus x into loss percent equal to original selling price. Now these two are the algebraic methods. Now these are the arithmetics. Now the below ones are the arithmetics from here. Selling price equal to always first process for profit percent only, first process, like I mean to say this one. Like I mean to say this process, which is the most important process at first of arithmetic. And we have to always import, if profit percent is given, then 100 plus profit percent into 100 to find the selling price, and then the next one, if loss percent is given, 100 minus loss percent into 100, and for the first process, if loss percent is given only, 100 minus loss percent into 100. Now the main formula of arithmetic, which I have already given here, which is 100 by the found out selling price multiplied by the original selling price which given, remains same for both. Remain same for both. I mean to say that this formula remains same for not only through profit percent but also through loss percent. And this formula is the most important formula, which is the only formula to find the cost price to arithmetic process after the procedure. Like I have said. So that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. Now if you like my video, then don't forget to give a like, share my video, and also subscribe my channel. That's all guys. Bye.